Melanin ba, deep ba, oh, mela.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Ro.lyss and I'm back again with another video. Today I'll be reviewing a wig from Snow Hair on Amazon Prime. Of course, Amazon being on it with the Amazon Prime. You get your hair in 2 days, and if you order early enough, you'll get it in 1 day. And baby, come through Amazon. But yeah, so this wig, I'll put a picture right here on how the wig looks on Amazon. And it came in this beautiful package. I am in love with this red color. And when you open it, you get this breathable head cap. It's in nude. Should have came in a darker color, but that's fine too. But this is a 10-inch wig, and it is so this is a 10-inch wig, so it's really short, y'all. I went short and I did the bangs again. Yeah, something wrong with me. I just keep reviewing these wigs like this, but this is how it comes out in the package. Of course, bent up because it was bent up in the package. I'm gonna flat iron it and I'm gonna fix her up and I'm gonna be right back. Y'all, when I say I look like somebody mama right now, mama, okay? Coming to pick them up straight up from school. So I have not fixed the wig just yet. I just put slapsis on. And like I said, I look like somebody's mother. Like, y'all, why I be doing this to myself? Like, look at this wig. Oh. I know my friend Genesis watching this and she just like, ooh, ooh. I don't know what vibe I'm giving with this. Like, I don't know. Oh, don't y'all just love putting on a wig straight from the package? I know I do, because you just be like, Okay, y'all, so this is what it looks like when I pre-flat ironed it and not make it look all crazy on the sides how it did. Well, not flat iron. Ow! I just combed my real hair. But it's cute. It's getting there. It's getting there. I don't know. So let's start by making these bangs a little bit thinner because they're too thick. So all I'm really doing is just pressing it and kind of prepping it on how I want it to look. Just like in my last video, I was so determined to get the bang look. So I'm determined to get this look too, because I'm really afraid of doing bangs. Don't ask me why, I just am. So we gonna get this look. We gonna do this look, okay? So I have these scissors that have little T's on one of the scissor parts, whatever you want to call it, and just like the regular scissors. And this one thins out your bangs if your bangs are too thick. So yeah, do y'all notice that the bangs are thinning out? Cause who like thick bangs? I love the effect on where you kind of could still see your eyebrows. So that's the look that I'm going for. And I gotta go thin out here because I still have another layer to do. So yeah, that's basically what them scissors do, is thin out these bangs and make it look way thinner than it looks. So you guys, that is the finishing product of this wig. Y'all comment down below and let me know how you feel about this wig. You guys, this wig is like giving me that grown look. I feel way more mature with this wig on, like I'm ready to do like a business meeting or something. I really love how this wig came out. Everything about this will be in the description box below, and what you see right now is pretty much what you're gonna get, besides me cutting up the bang, making it look a little thinner, because I do not like that look where your wig is just too full. Like, no, it's just not it. It's not it. But I didn't cut this wig. It literally came this length, and it's a 10-inch, and it's so cute. I really love it. But if y'all want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so you can see more videos like this. And Ro.lyss is out.